8 to 5 na trabaho. Nakaka-drain at nakaka-burnout na. And to be honest, walang direct benefit ang pagtuturo ko sa Amazon selling. Pero bakit ko nga ba ito ginagawa ngayon? Teaching was never part of my plan. Pero minsan, yung mga bagay na iniiwasan pala natin ay yun pala yung calling. Here's the thing, gusto kong makatulong especially yung mga OFW na na-stuck na sa mindset na 8 to 5 na trabaho. Ang daming mga potential na mga bagay na nasasayang dahil takot sila mag-explore. Amazon business is more than just earning money. It's about freedom. Freedom to work for yourself, freedom to live beyond the usual cycle. But first, I ignored people asking for help. But then, I realized, what if ito yung way to give back? What if being called to share what I've learned, that's when it hit me. This isn't about me anymore. It's about helping others build something bigger for themselves. Alam nyo, when your intention is pure, everything follows. Hindi ko to ginagawa para yumaman ako. I'm doing this to help others succeed. Mas fulfilling yun. So here I am teaching, not because I want to, but I have to. Gusto kong makita kayong mag-grow, mag-succeed, at mag-break free sa typical cycle ng buhay. Kung napapanood mo to ngayon, maybe this is your sign. Don't settle for less, explore, take risks, and let's grow together.